My name is Danilo Bozic and I'm Redken Artistic Ambassador. I'm here today to talk about how to master my signature blonding technique using Blond IQ 9 Plus products. As you can see on my beautiful model, she has medium texture, curly hair, natural level 2, so it's really dark, but also they have some old permanent color in it, really dark. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use my signature technique to make her overall lighter and brighter because I wanna see her brighter. Also, I wanna maintain her roots to stay darker for the maintenance. I'm gonna use my favorite Blond IQ 9 Plus product by Redken because it's gonna help me to make this color light and bright. And it's sectioning time. This section is called Rhombus. And I'm gonna explain you how to do it, and it's really important because all the sections are gonna be diagonal. Then after that, we're gonna split left and right side on a 2 equal parts. That means on the top of the head, behind the ear, and we're gonna get 4 equal sections. After we have that, left and right side, we're gonna split in 2 equal parts. You see this line here? When we get on the sides of the section that we did here, we're gonna get those points. We're gonna go diagonal down toward the occipital bone and create a little triangle. We would do the same thing from the sides toward the top of the head, and we will get this rhombus shape. What is rhombus? Rhombus is actually square that is shifted on 90 degrees, so it's not a diamond. So that means that all 4 sides are equal. What we're gonna do then, we're gonna place all the foils diagonal through those sections, and that's gonna create a blend and perfect melt and root shadow toward the roots. So we will start on the bottom of this section, and we stretch her hair because when we're using this technique with the blow dryer, we need a straight hair because in that case it's gonna save you more time because it's easier to separate those internal pieces. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you will stretch the strand, then you're gonna put a tension and place the blow dryer first and then turn it on. So you will see how I'm doing that. You will stay close to the scalp, just clean up the section, whatever the shorter pieces are, and look at this. This will be a blend and dimension, and those are the longer pieces that we are coloring. I will place the board. I will use my favorite Blond IQ 9 Plus Lightener. This is ratio 1 on 1.5. And look at the application. It goes so smooth. So I'm gonna apply decent amount because I do need saturation. After we have full saturation, we're going close to the scalp. We will fold the foils 2 times. We will fold the sides, and then we're gonna take the fingers, so we're gonna just curve it a little bit, the foil, so the next section, it's not gonna be open with the blow dryer. So I will keep doing that all the way up here. After that, I'm done with this section. I will do the same thing on the other side. We're repeating that, and then we're gonna move on the 3rd section. First 2 sections are done on the back. Okay, so now it's time to move on rhombus. After we already start using rhombus, we're gonna keep doing in the same direction through the rhombus until we end up with this last foil here, and then we're gonna move on the front. So we're moving on a side right now. So we finish the top and the back, and this side is done. After this foil, we'll keep doing all the foils, same motion, but we will finish in this little tiny corner. So again, I'm folding twice, and then folding sides, and remember this, because in that case, blow dryer is not gonna open this. So as you can see here, I'm applying enough, but same consistent amount of the lightener, and that's what I like. It's gonna stay like this while it's processing, and it's gonna provide nice and even lift. This lightener, it's mixed with the oil developer, and it's gonna respect her hair integrity. And the part with the lightener is done. As you can see, the hair is still so curly and bouncy. I can combine with my favorite Shades EQ toners because it's so translucent. It's gonna give me that shine. It's gonna give me a perfect desired tone that I want to. I wanna get that perfect, warm, beigey, shiny, just like overall modern and trendy look. This is glazed, this is stone, Shades EQ. So look at this shine and let it process. And we're done, it's finished. Look at this gorgeous color, the shine.
I'm obsessed.
I'm obsessed too. High five.
We did it.